What's up, everybody? If you want to see all of this, all okay, I discovered a new combination for my wash and goes, and this is pretty much what I'm going to be doing throughout the summertime because I really like the way it came out. And all you gotta do now is watch the video. That's it. You know what's funny? I did this makeup just for the intro of this video, but now I feel like I gotta go outside because I can't let it go to waste. You know? I will be leaving the link and my promo code to these eyelashes down below. I gotta go get breakfast. Let's jump into this video. So I will be explaining step by step exactly what I do to my hair in the shower. First, I just drench my hair and make sure it's all wet. Then I go in with the Manuka honey and yogurt hydrate and repair shampoo. Normally, I give my hair a deep scrub, get that circulation going, and then I rinse it out. Now I'm going in with the coconut and hibiscus curl and shine conditioner. And let's just take a moment of silence for the amount of conditioner that I use. Starting in the middle section, I'm just going to coat all of my strands with the hibiscus conditioner and finger detangle while I do that. After I rinse that out, I'm going to grab my favorite deep conditioner. Well, one of my favorite deep conditioners. And that's the Manuka honey and yogurt hydrate and repair protein power treatment. I really like this because I feel it really hydrating my strands. Like, I feel a difference when I get out of the shower. It almost feels similar to the Jamaican black castor oil keratin treatment. I really like that one as well. It pretty much gives me the same results as that. After my hair is fully coated in my deep conditioner, I then grab my plastic cap and keep that on for the remainder of my shower. Here's where I usually shave, do whatever I gotta do. And when that's all done marinating, I'll simply wash the deep conditioner out. I do rinse this well because there is a lot of protein and I want to make sure it's completely washed out after it's done doing its job. Okay, this is my hair freshly washed and deep conditioned. After I rinsed out the deep conditioner treatment, this is pretty much my hair washed with no product as of right now. Today I'm going to be using the Make It Last Coconut Custard Wash and Go Curl Primer, followed by the Hydrate Repair Multi-Action Leave-In, and then lastly the Make It Wash Lash and Go Defining Gel. So previously I did a combination similar to this. Before, the only difference was that I used the Miracle Styling Silicone Free Leave-In Conditioner. And that one, I really do like that combo, but I want to switch it up and figure out some more wash and go combinations for the summertime because in the summer, that's all I really wear. My hair is it's very shiny right now. I did an aloe vera pre-poo / detangler. So lately I've been detangling with aloe vera in the shower, and that's really good because the slip is amazing. Then I follow up with a shampoo and conditioner, deep conditioner, and when I get out I do the wash and go. Right now I'm gonna go ahead with the primer. Using about this much. Actually, let me take this off. And I pretty much do one side of my head and then the other side. I focus in the center also because that's the part of that's my problem area. Like right here. And these ends right here. This is my problem area. That's where it's the most dry and it tends to be like the toughest. So I have to give it some extra TLC. This smells so good. Smells like, I don't even know how to describe it. Usually my nose is on point. One time before knowing the flavor of the shampoo and conditioner, I was like, it smells like lemonade, pink lemonade. Then I looked at the bottle and it was Maine pink lemonade. Maine, the Main Choice, which is a different hair brand. But yes. Ooh. Sorry, I'm on the floor, like I'm stooping down. Okay, now we're going in with the Hydrate leave-in. And this is like, let me see. Wow, this is like a spray. So I can straight like spray my hair. This is how it's spraying. And I'm not really suctioning out, I'm just spraying since it's a spray. Multi-action leave-in with Mafura and Balboa. I don't know how to pronounce this. Baobab oils. Sulfate free and color safe. Restore, prep, and protect extremely dry, brittle hair. I really do like this blue line. I also deep conditioned with the mask that they have. And it's really hydrating. And like they focus on brittle, dry, extremely dry hair. So now I'm going to just coat every damn thing. Get these ends. Scrunching is really how I get my curls. Like if it wasn't for scrunching, my curls would not look like spirally and is half as good as they did. So always scrunch. I scrunch like with every product I use. They blowing up the group chat. That's pretty much, this is how it looks. And the last step is the defining gel oil. This is like really liquidy, so I'm only gonna use a little bit. It smells like perfume. Well, you can't really see it, it's pretty much transparent, but this really smells like a perfume. And it's so slippery. Wow. I don't know if you can tell by that bounce. But really, like, can you see? Like, look how jelly that is. Interesting. You guys, I smell like a tropical island. I really understand why when you smell a curly girl, like you could swear they have perfume on. Thank you, Shea Moisture, and just all products for allowing us to substitute our hair products for perfume, because now we don't have to wear any. Now I'm going to air dry and then diffuse, come back and show you the results. And this, I'm back with the post results, and this is how my hair looks the next day. It took like a whole day. It took a whole day for my hair to dry, and so this is pretty much day 2. And as the days go by, my hair gets bigger and bigger and just fluffier, and it continues to look more voluminous because I prefer volume over definition. So this is what the curls pretty much look like. Thank you all so much for watching my updated wash and go routine. I'll link the information to all the products and everything down below. That's a wrap.